Welcome back to the Dad Days, everyone. If you're like our family and decided to be festive this year and make a gingerbread house, but then it sat on your counter for too long and got too dry and you don't know what to do with it, I think I have an idea for you. I'm going to take a deconstructed gingerbread house and turn it into a gingerbread pie. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Raw cane sugar has a bigger texture than a granulated white sugar, so I'm blending it a little bit to give the pudding a normal consistency. First, add the sugar and the cornstarch to the pan with a little bit of milk and whisk until blended. Continue to whisk over medium heat, slowly incorporating the rest of the milk. Don't let your pudding mixture boil, but once it starts to steam, mix 2 or 3 ladlefuls into your eggs one at a time to temper your eggs. After that, slowly pour your egg mixture into your pudding mixture, whisking rapidly while you do it, as you do not want your eggs to scramble. Once your pudding starts to thicken, pour it into a glass jar and cover the top with saran wrap, making sure that the saran wrap touches the top of the pudding to keep a skin from forming. Put it in the refrigerator overnight and allow to cool before you fill your pie. You can save your gingerbread crumbs, put them in a freezer tight bag and put them in the freezer for up to a couple months. Last night I poured the vanilla pudding into the gingerbread house pie crust, and this is the final product. I'm going to sprinkle the top with a little bit of cinnamon to finish it, and you're good to go.